What is going on, folks? I want to show you something that I base my life around and some simple tactics on saving yourself money. Listen, it's nickels and dimes that add up to dollars. And rich people are going to tell you it's not the large purchases like homes and stuff like that that kill them. It's the small ones, and this video proves it. So me and Patty Ray got a really cool video coming up pretty soon where we show you how to use brake line to unlock any car door. And during that video production, and while I was trying to figure out how to make it and how to show you folks how to do it with simple things at home, I discovered something that I found a little bit interesting that I never realized before. Well, I guess I kind of realized it, but anyways. So in order to do that video, I needed some brake line. And I went to OReilly and bought this brake line. And I was blown away when it was $42 freaking dollars. Then I was like, I need to call up my other store and see if this brake line is that much. Well, this brake line was $12. Now you're looking at them and you're going, well, they're different, Clay. I mean, of course. Well, this is steel brake line and this is aluminum brake line. Aluminum's cheaper to produce than steel, but I mean, $13 versus 42 bucks? And I'm like, steel rust. We live in Michigan, salt on the road. That stuff's not going to last as long as the aluminum. Now, AutoZone, I wanted to do a comparison, make sure, I wasn't being unfair and just picking on old OReilly there, but AutoZone brake lines were the same. And these brake lines were 12 bucks. So check out these receipts. Same part numbers, with the exception of the AutoZone. I could only get 3 of them. I got the receipts folded because it's got my credit card information on there and it's got my address and stuff on here. But if we look right down here, that's $12, almost 13 bucks. And if we look at the part numbers, it says BL, which stands for brake line. This says brake line, AGS. AGS. This doesn't say AGS, but on the sticker, which is down here, if you flip it over right here where it says AGS, they're all the same. That's crazy insane. So here's the thing, like I said before, any rich person is going to tell you you're going to get nickeled and dimed to death before you ever get $1,000 to death, okay? So a good way to start to be rich is right here, by knowing value and chasing value. I like to think of things this way. If something's $28 less somewhere else, and it takes me 30 minutes to get there, how much money am I making an hour? Quite a bit, if you think about it. Same thing goes for engines, transmissions, just about anything in life. You need to look at it from the perspective of, if it's cheaper, but it costs me a couple hours to go get it somewhere else, how much money am I making an hour to go get it? Sometimes you're going to find it's not worth it. But most of the time, you're going to find it's worth saving the money because your time is probably worth, $100 an hour. I don't know. I would take $30 an hour to drive across town. Somebody could pay me 30 bucks. I'll go downtown and get you the parts you need and take it a half an hour to do it. I'll be happy to do it every day, all day long for you. It'd be just like the Uber bitch. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing, clicking the notification, sharing my videos, give me a sweet old thumbs up. I can't help you with that old baby mama drama, but I may be able to help you fix that whip. Remember, if anyone else can do it, you can do it too. God bless, folks. Have the best of days.